Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on Trust Wallet. So if you are new to crypto or just downloaded Trust Wallet, this tutorial is for you. We will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Trust Wallet in 2025, from setting up your wallet to buying, storing and sending crypto. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. First of all, you just have to go to your App Store or Play Store, and over here you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Trust Wallet. Now once you have found Trust Wallet application, you just have to simply tap on the install button in order to install it and wait for some time until it is installing in your device. Afterwards, you just have to tap on open in order to create your wallet. You just have to press the get started button, and here you need to select the first option of create a new wallet. Now from the given option over here, you need to select the first one, that is secret phrase. So you need to tap on create. Now it will ask you to back up your secret phrase. So you can either back up it manually or you can even back it up to your Google Drive. Now for this video, I'm going to back it up manually. So you just have to tap on this option. Afterwards, you just have to check on all of these boxes here and you need to press continue in the bottom. Now this is your secret phrase. It is different from wallet to wallet. So you need to make sure that you copy your secret phrase from the clipboard and never share it with anyone. Now it will ask you to verify that you have actually copied your secret phrase, and here it will ask you some of the words from your secret phrase for the confirmation. So you need to make sure that you select everything correct over here and then press confirm in the bottom. After the confirmation, it will ask you to create your passcode. So you just have to provide the passcode, and here you just have to simply confirm your passcode. If you want to add biometric login, you can even do that by tapping on the confirm option and providing your fingerprints. But for this video, I'm going to tap on deny. Now you just have to simply tap on start using Trust Wallet, and if you want to allow the notifications, you can do that as well. Now once you set up your Trust Wallet, now is the time to understand all the features available here. First, we will understand how you can directly buy and sell your favorite crypto on Trust Wallet. If you want to buy it, you need to tap on the buy option, and among the given cryptos, you just have to select your favorite crypto which you want to buy. For example, you want to buy Ethereum, so you need to simply tap on it, and here by default it will get the value of $150, but here you can just cross it and you can enter your own amount here. After that, it will show you the best method with the help of which you can actually purchase your favorite coin. It is showing me credit card as the recommended option, but let's say you don't want to use it, so you can even tap on it, and from this given list you just have to simply select your favorable payment method. Afterwards, you need to tap on the buy option in the bottom, and then it will redirect you on the provider's website. Now in my country, this is the provider, that is transact.com, but in your country the providers must be different. It depends from country to country. So the idea is to go to the provider's website, enter the same amount and tap on the buy now button. Here you will have to create your account with email on the provider's website, and then you need to just select the payment method and conclude your payment. Now once your payment is successful, you will get your crypto in your Trust Wallet account, and it will show you in the top where you can see your main balance. Now similar is with the sell. If you want to sell your favorite coin, you need to tap on the sell option, then select the coin that you want to sell. Afterwards, you need to enter the amount of the crypto that you want to sell and tap on the sell option. Again, it will redirect you on the provider's website where you need to either create your account, or if you already have an account, you need to simply log in, and then you just have to select the payment method and sell your favorite crypto. Now let's say you want to deposit crypto into your Trust Wallet from any other wallets or exchanges. In order to do that, you need to tap on the receive option and select that particular crypto which you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin, so you need to simply tap on that, and this is the QR code and the deposit address which you can copy from here, and you need to paste it into your favorite exchange or your wallet from where you want to send your crypto to your Trust Wallet account. Once done, you will be able to deposit your crypto into your Trust Wallet, and let's say you want to send your crypto from your Trust Wallet to any other account. You can do that by tapping on the send option. Here in the search bar, you just have to paste the address, and then on the next page you need to just enter the amount that you want to send and conclude your payment. Now we will understand using dApps and staking feature on Trust Wallet. In order to use dApp, you need to tap on the Discover tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here you can use DeFi platforms, decentralized exchanges and NFT marketplaces directly from the wallet. To stake, you just have to simply tap on the Earn tab in the bottom, and over here you need to select the token that you want to stake. Afterwards, you just have to follow some simple steps in order to start earning rewards directly on your Trust Wallet. Now, if you want to manage NFTs, you just have to simply go to the NFTs tab in order to send and receive NFTs. You need to just connect to the NFT marketplaces like OpenSea directly from the dApp browser that is in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, here are some of the quick tips for the beginners while using Trust Wallet. The first thing you need to remember is always back up your recovery phrase and never share it with anyone. Second thing, to add extra layer of security, you need to use the two-factor authentication. Always double check wallet addresses before sending your crypto and explore new coins carefully. Always verify the authenticity of the tokens that you are playing with. And that's it. You now know how to use Trust Wallet in 2025. It's powerful, beginner-friendly tool to manage your crypto assets. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.